Former Public Works and Highways District Engineer Bryce Hernandez appears to have backpedaled in his accusations against Senator Jingo Estrada. At the Senate Blue Ribbon probe on Thursday, September 18, Senator Rodante Marcoleta recalls how Hernandez strongly implicated Estrada in the flood control mess.
Nung nag-testify ka sa House, matibay yung salita mo na si Miss, ano pangalan?
Mina po.
Mina ay magdadala ng pera sa proponent. At ang binanggit mo sa House, si Senator Jinggoy. Di ba? Sa House.
Marcoleta was pertaining to Mina Jose of WJ Construction, which Hernandez earlier claimed to have delivered flood control kickbacks in the Senate.
Nakalink lang po na ang pakilala kay kay Ma'am Mina or Ma'am Beng is staff po ni Sen Jinggoy, pero hindi po specifically sinabi ko na yung proponent is para po kay Senator Jinggoy.
Marcoleta once again asks if it's clear that a certain Mina or Beng Ramos is to deliver kickbacks, to which Hernandez says yes.
Ngayon, sinabi mo na hindi naman pala si Senator Jinggoy.
Specifically, hindi po si Senator Jinggoy.
Okay.
Asked to whom the kickbacks would be delivered, Hernandez says he was told by his boss, former district engineer Henry Alcantara, that it was just a proponent. Estrada then interjects, hitting Hernandez for categorically identifying him in the lower chamber's flood control probe.
Blind siya kung sinong proponent, pero nung nag-testify ka sa House, tahasan sinabi mo, ako at si Senator Joel Villanueva ang pinangalanan mo. At sinabi mo rito, sabi ni Congressman Ridon, sorry, excuse me, before proceeding, can we state for the record again who is Beng Ramos? Ang sagot mo, she is the staff of Senator Jingo Estrada po. Sagot ni Ridon, staff of Senator Beng Ramos is a staff of Senator Jingo Estrada. Ang sagot mo, yes po, Your Honor.
With this, Estrada clarifies that he never had a personal with the name Beng Ramos. Meanwhile, Hernandez claims that he was only told by Alcantara that Ramos is the senator's employee. Alcantara then denies he made his disclosure, saying he didn't know them personally.
Hindi ko nga po kilala itong pangalan to, Mina. At yung Beng Ramos po, alam ko po, nung nagtatanong nga po ako, sila po magkakilala niya, taga Santa Maria po yan eh. Hindi ko naman po personally kilala po yan eh. Every time na lang po sa akin lagi yung turo niya.